Good day, everyone. I'm happy that you are here on the Advice Career Corner, and today is going to be very special. We are going to teach you how to build a CV, of this moment, a CV of 2026 that can last you for like 5 years. So we are going to take that, and if you are new to this channel, you can do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe buttons so that we can give you more educating tips and advantage that we clinch your process of employment. So without no wasting of time, let's begin the training. So what we want to do is to create a dynamic CV that is much more different from our old format of creating CV as if we are typing a letter. So because the this word CV is quite different. So what are we supposed to do? I'm going to introduce a platform for creating a free CV. That platform gives you the ability to create free CV. And what's the name of the platform? We call it JobConnetCV, and it's under JobConnect. So, but before you start using the platform, you have to first register to JobConnect itself, because to log in to start using the platform, it will require you to have access to your JobConnect account. So I have an account with JobConnect, so I'm going to log into my JobConnect account. So once I log in, it's going to give me the access of creating a CV. So now I've successfully logged into my JobConnect account. So that is all you need to do. And also you can also access the CV from the job list. Just click on the jobs. So once you click on the job, you see sort and CV. You click on it, you will find create free CV. Once I've logged in, I'll go to cv.jobconnect.net.ng. I'll repeat, cv.jobconnect.net.ng. Just click on go. Once you click on go, it will bring you straight to the JobConnect CV portal. When you click create, it will direct you to your JobConnect account. So it's better you sign in before you come here, so that when it directs you, it will automatically bring you here, and it will ask you log in with JobConnect. So that's the only way to access this platform. So once I click it, it will direct me to JobConnect and authenticate it and bring me back here. So on this part, I'm here at the CV building platform. So on this part, I am going to see all my informations. The necessary ones might be transferred here, but if it's not transferred, you are going to enter it yourself. So here, the picture I put on JobConnect is already transferred. So now these are the steps of what you want to start building. So the first thing is you can upload the CV that you have on your device, either on PDF or on document. Just click upload CV so that the space can be filled, and you can easily see all the space that you need to fill. Then most times I prefer doing it from the scratch so that I won't have mistakes. So I will start building my CV, and you are going to see how I'm going to do that. So I also need the help of ChatGPT to fill most of these things. So I want you to stay close and watch me as I am doing it. All right. So now I need my LinkedIn account. So I need my LinkedIn, and I also need my Behance portfolio so I can prove myself. So because I don't want to miss this form, and I don't want the system to cache the whole design, so I'll just split this app into two. So here I'm going to click on the app. If your Android phone has this splitting, you can use that. So I'm going to split it. So once I split it, there's going to be a two-side though, so I can be using this one while I'm checking this one for other things. So I prefer using informations to get the main ones. So I will just type Henry. So I think my CV should be out. So this is my CV. You can see this kind of CV, very unique and very attractive. So I'm going to copy my link in here. I'll put my link in here. So I'll also copy my DM.
I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who active, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you
think I'm done with this part. Okay, I'm done with this personal information. So I'm going to the next. I'll just click next. So then also you have your professional summary. Can you get professional summary? I'm going to make use of this one. So professional summary of 160 characters. I think this one is okay.
So remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and going, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Let me leave it here. I think this one is enough. So let's just click on next. Next. Project. Let's just go to next. So don't mind me that I splitted the screen, so I can use the AI and still be switching. That's why. Just click on next. That is okay. So I don't have anything to add more. So if you have other things you want to add, you can just click on custom section. Just click on it. You see the title, description, and it's going to appear. But I'm not in need of this custom, so I'll switch it off. Then I'll click next. I think the custom is the last one. So all right, let me just use the app, or let me just close down this app. Okay, so now because the the whole thing is finished. I can see all the sections, so I only switched off custom. So we couldn't download because we didn't click on finish. So now we've clicked on finish, the whole thing is optimizing and creating our CV. So let's wait for it to create and optimize. So during this time, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, you can do that. And I want to also make you know that you can't possibly use this platform if you are not registered to JobConnect.